Welcome to this edition of Time with Dr. Mahama. Be fruitful and multiply. Genesis chapter 1, verse 28. The other biblical character that I use to encourage my patients suffering from infertility is Hannah. Hannah's story in the Bible is common in today's medical practice situation in Ghana. Polygamy is legal in Ghana for religious Muslims as well as cultural reasons. It is common to have a patient whose husband has one or more other wives. These other wives have children while this patient is unable to have a child. This was the case of Hannah in the Bible. 1 Samuel chapter 1 verse 2, NLT version. Elkanah had two wives, Hannah and Peninnah. Peninnah had children while Hannah did not. The name Hannah means favor or God's grace. God would show his favor on Hannah by answering her prayers with a son, the prophet. This is the mystery of childbearing, and it enforces my personal belief that our Maker, God Almighty, has a sovereign will which he exercises independently in all human situations. Psalm 127 verse 3, NLT. Children are a gift from the Lord. They are a reward from him. In the case of Hannah, there was a delay but not a complete denial. 1 Samuel chapter 1 verse 4 to 6 in the NLT version. On the day Elkanah presented his sacrifice, he would give portions of the sacrifice to Peninnah and each of her children. But he gave special portions to Hannah because he loved her very much, even though the Lord had given her no children. But Peninnah made fun of Hannah because the Lord had closed her womb. Year after year, it was the same. Peninnah would taunt Hannah as they went to the tabernacle. Hannah would finally be reduced to tears and would not even eat. Hannah made a commitment to give the child God would give her back to God. She prayed earnestly to God. She had a son, Samuel. She gave the boy to the high priest, Eli, who brought Samuel up, and he became the prophet Samuel, a most famous man of God in Israel. Hannah had other children after Samuel, and Peninnah could no longer taunt her. It is not clear what caused the delay, and I would not make a posthumous diagnosis, but encourage women in the same situation with the fact that once that quote-unquote covenant child is born, many other children will come. Even Abraham had other children with his wife Keturah after Sarah died. We are still in November, and you can still stop by for your free diabetes screening. Like and share with family and friends, and tune in next time for another episode of Time with Dr. Mahama. Thank you.